Craving a rich, ultra creamy dessert that's both dairy-free and keto-friendly? In just a few easy steps, I'll show you how to make the most delicious, low-carb, dairy-free chocolate pudding. First, you'll need 1 tablespoon gelatin, and if you're using Knox, 1 packet is 1 tablespoon. Now, add 2 tablespoons water to a bowl. Then sprinkle 1 tablespoon gelatin over the water, making sure to mix it all in before you set it to the side to bloom. Add 1/2 cup water to a small container. Now, with your immersion blender on the lowest speed, slowly tap in 1/4 teaspoon guar gum. Continue blending the mixture with your immersion blender until there are no lumps. Set it to the side. Next, you'll need some unsalted, dry roasted macadamia nuts. Now add 1 cup macadamia nuts and 1/2 cup water to your NutriBullet or food processor. Pulse the mixture until it is creamy and the macadamia nuts are completely blended. Add 1/4 cup of your preferred sweetener to the bowl. Next, add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, and you can use Hershey's or a Dutch processed cocoa powder like Ghirardelli's. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure the sweetener and cocoa powder are well blended. Now, pour your milk mixture into a small saucepan and heat it over medium heat. Heat until it starts to steam and small bubbles form around the edges. Make sure to keep stirring thoroughly through the process. If it gets too hot, simply take the pan off the burner for a moment and reduce the heat. Then place it back on the burner and continue to heat the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. Again, stirring constantly. Now, remove the pan from the heat and use a strainer to strain the cocoa and sweetener mixture into the saucepan. Be sure to press through any clumps to avoid lumping in your final product. Once strained, return the pan to medium-low heat. Slowly warm the mixture, stirring constantly. This process should take about 3 minutes. The goal is to make sure the chocolate, sweetener, and the milk are perfectly combined. Once the mixture is well incorporated, add your guar gum and water mixture, followed by your bloomed gelatin. Return the heat to medium and stir continuously as the mixture heats. Keep stirring until bubbles start to form around the edge of the pan and the mixture is fully combined. Once that is done, remove the mixture from the heat. Give it a quick stir and let it sit for a minute or 2. Now add any additional sweeteners to bring it to that sweetness level you enjoy. Now for the final ingredient, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Go ahead and give that a quick mix and let's get this into some containers. And if you're interested in these particular containers, I'll leave a link in the description section. They come with a spoon, cup, and lid to keep those portions fresh. Now pour that cooled mixture into the containers, place them on a plate or tray, chill, and enjoy. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.